Annoying tickling cough. Dry throat making it worse. Quillaya Saponaria is a homeopathic remedy derived from the soap bark tree. It's known for calming irritation in the upper respiratory tract. It helps when the cough is dry, hacking, and worse at night. Even talking or deep breathing makes it worse. Relief comes with warm drinks. It's especially useful in early stages of bronchitis or throat irritation from cold exposure. If you're dealing with stubborn dry cough with throat irritation, Quillaya might be the gentle, natural answer. Always consult a qualified homeopath before use.